Hi, people! Guess what? I am so excited today. And guess who's here with me? Lilli! Today, we're at Mudfire. We're going to be doing pottery today. Yes, with clay. Look, guess who's our special guest? It's Lilli! She's our instructor for today. Come on, let's go!
Hi, welcome. We are going to get started. First, I'm going to have y'all wash your hands, and then we're going to go on a tour. For the tour, we're going to come down here and take a look at some of our member shelves. Look at everybody's pottery.
So, is that where they keep their pottery?
Yes, it is. So when we're open, they can come in and make whatever they want to make.
Yeah?
Yeah, we've got the tools for them. Those are here. We have a bunch of glazes for them to choose from.
Look at all the pretty colors.
Yeah. So after you make your pots, we're going to come over here and you're going to get to choose what colors you want me to put on your pots later.
Really?
Yes.
What kind of pots do they make?
They make all kinds of pots.
Big ones?
They can make big ones. They gotta practice. Yeah, they can practice, and then their pots get bigger and bigger every time they practice.
Really?
Yes. Today, have y'all ever done pottery before?
No.
Okay, today we're gonna be working with about a pound of clay. So our pots are gonna start being like little cups and bowls and things like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Outside, and we can come over here and I can show y'all where all the pottery gets fired.
So, wait, you guys put the pottery in the fire?
Yeah, it's like a special oven. It's called a kiln.
Ooh.
I'm going to put your pots. So today they're going to be really, really squishy and wet. So they're going to have to dry out for maybe a week. Okay. And then all the pots that have dried out are over here, and they're waiting to go into a kiln. Oh. And then the kiln goes really, really hot, up to like 2,000 degrees. So hot that it gets red inside even.
That's a lot.
It's a lot. And then the pots come out and they're a lot stronger. So this is where the pots show up when they are fired, and then they can get dipped in those glaze buckets and get made of color.
Oh.
All right, so the way the potter's wheel works is based on this wheel pedal. You can smack your clay down on there.
Smack it.
Smack it, and then you want to squish it down really on there, and then to start working with it, you are going to get your, hold on.
Like a bike.
You're gonna get your wheel going, and then to touch the clay, you're gonna want your hands really, really wet, so that you can slide over the clay. And the first thing you're gonna notice is that the clay is really wiggly and bumpy, so your hands may be kind of bouncing around on it. So then you're gonna want to hold the clay really steady to try to get those lumps and bumps out. So you kind of hold it in your hands. You want to get your elbows down on your legs. And then once we get it really, really round like this, we can drop the hole and put a little inside. Every pot needs an inside.
Yes, it does. So we can put stuff in.
Yeah. Yeah. So we want.
Blow out.
Yeah. So we want to go down a good little ways, and then we can measure with this needle tool. So you can poke down in there with your needle tool, slide your finger down all the way till it hits the clay, lift it back up, and that will show you how much floor you have.
Okay.
So that's like 1/4 of an inch, and that's what we want. So now we have the inside that we want on our pot. If you want to make a bowl, maybe you make it a little bigger on the inside. If you want to make a little cup, maybe it's littler on the inside, but you make the bottom you want to have. And then we have to pack down this clay in the bottom to make it really strong because we just stretched it out, we added lots of water. So if we just leave it like that, it might get stressed when it dries. So I'm going to scoot my fingers back and forth across the floor. If you make a mistake, that is okay because the clay is really squishy and I can help tell you how to fix it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm here to help. And then
Molly will help us. It's okay if we make mistakes, remember? Yeah, excited, Lily?
and they won't be very strong anymore. So we want to keep our pot really strong so we can finish it and decorate it. So once you get to here, we've got a couple little finishing touches that you might want to do. You might want to take this special wood knife, and it is really good at taking a little bit off the bottom. Hold it down with your thumb, slide it towards yourself, and then it's not attached anymore. So I can pick it up for y'all, or maybe you can try with these pot lifters. They're called pot lifters because they lift pots. I think that's funny. And they grab it up, and then you can put the pot on a little board.
That's cool.
And that's how you make a pot.
Okay. Remember, we're gonna have to follow directions. And if we need help, Molly is here to help us. Okay, here we go. Ready, Lily? Okay, peoples, we're at our station. Well, actually, our wheels, right? They're called wheels. They're called wheels. And look, I have a pedal. So we have to get our wheels moving. And then push down on the pedal. Look, it works. It goes fast, then it goes slow. We're gonna smack it. Ready, Lily? Smack it.
It's on there.
Is it on there?
It's on there, and then you get lots and lots of water on your hands.
We get water.
Yeah, you got water in your bucket.
few moments later.
And then you spin it real slow, and then kind of hold it over here-ish, like a pencil. Let's go a little slower than that.
Such an awesome job. I love pottery now. What about you, Lily? We definitely need to come back. But you need to tell your mommy, your daddy, your grown-up, whoever, to bring the whole family to Mudfire, located
175 Laredo Drive, Decatur, Georgia.
Did you hear? 175 Laredo Drive, Decatur, Georgia. Until next time, peoples. See you later. Say bye, Lily.